Time management is a critical skill for effectively organizing and utilizing your time to achieve your goals and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Here are some key notes on time management. 1. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. 2. Plan ahead. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, or digital task managers to plan your tasks and appointments. Create a daily or weekly schedule that allocates specific time blocks for different tasks. 3. Prioritization. Use techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix, quadrants of urgency and importance, to prioritize tasks. Focus on high priority and high impact tasks first. 4. Time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks or categories of work. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time during each time block. 5. Eliminate distractions. Identify common distractions, for example, social media, notifications, and minimize or eliminate them during work periods. Consider using tools like website blockers if necessary. 6. Set realistic deadlines. Set deadlines that are achievable and aligned with the complexity of the task. Avoid overloading yourself with unrealistic expectations. 7. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused intervals, for example, 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. After a few cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. 8. Delegate and outsource. Delegate tasks that can be handled by others, whether at work or home. Consider outsourcing tasks that are time-consuming but not essential for you to handle personally. 9. Learn to say no. Politely decline tasks or commitments that don't align with your priorities or overwhelm your schedule. 10. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your progress and assess if you're meeting your goals. Adjust your strategies as needed based on what's working and what isn't. 11. Batch similar tasks. Group similar tasks together and tackle them in a single time block. This reduces context switching and increases efficiency. 12. Maintain work-life balance. Allocate time for personal activities, hobbies, and relaxation. Avoid overworking, as it can lead to burnout and reduced productivity over time. 13. Use technology wisely. Leverage productivity tools and apps that help with task management, time tracking, and organization. 14. Regular breaks and self-care. Schedule regular breaks to recharge your mind and avoid mental fatigue. Get enough sleep, exercise, and maintain a healthy diet to enhance overall productivity. 15. Continuous learning. Stay open to new time management techniques and adapt them to your needs. Attend workshops, read books, or follow experts in the field to enhance your skills. Remember that effective time management is a personal journey, and you should tailor these strategies to your individual preferences and needs. Consistent practice and adjustments will help you master this skill over time.